Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. It's the Budgie Buddies with Jay sleeping on the cage today and Kay quietly coos, including Joshua's storytelling. Look at Jaybird over there taking a nap. Look at that. Look at Mr. Jaybird. He's just laying there taking a nap. And there's KK. What you guys gonna say today? Look at Mr. Jaybird. Look at Mr. Jaybird. Mr. Jaybird, you're taking a nap. Hee hee hee. Hey KK, what you gotta say today? Hi KK, what you gotta say today? Mr. Jaybird's up there taking a nap, but you're in such a good little mood. Yes sir, look at you. Look at you. Hi buddy. Hi buddy. What you gonna do when it comes for you, man? Hey KK. Hi KK. What you doing? What you doing? What you up to, buddy? What you up to, buddy? Hi, KK. What you gonna say today? Hi, hi. What you gonna do when it comes to you? Bad bird, bad bird. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it comes for you? Bad bird, bad bird. Yes, sir. Who's a bad bird? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're so cuckoo for the coconuts. Mr. KK, you cuckoo for the coconuts. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, buddy. Good morning. So good to see you. Hi. Hello there. Welcome. Hi, KK. What you gonna say today? Hello, buddy. Look, look. Looky, looky. Looky, looky. Birds of a feather flock together. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What you gonna do when they come for you, man? You gonna run and hide? No. I got Joshua by my side. Yeah, yeah. Hey, buddy. KK. Come on, bring it. Come on, bring it. You ain't so tough. Come on, come on. Come on, bring it. Hey, KK. You're the prettiest birdie I ever heard of. You're the prettiest birdie I ever heard of. Yeah, yeah. Look at Mr. Jaybird. He's up from his nap. One of these days, maybe I do a little more than just get to pet him and I'll get to scratch his little head for him. But right now, like I said, I'm feel happy that they trust me enough just to pet them a little bit here and there. Yup, it's nap time for the little birdie birds. They're sitting there up on one little up on one little foot. Whoa! What's going on with the power, guys? I know it was a little stormy earlier today, but it should have settled down by now. Maybe the landlord's doing something crazy with the power. Somebody did take off about 12:20 this morning on a bicycle with a little radio going over a little speaker, but at least it had a taillight and a headlight on it. But still, I'm assuming it was my landlord. I ended up being up most of the night, and I don't know if that person on the bicycle ever came back. Never really figured out who it really was. Nothing like that. Hey Jaybird, what you doing today, buddy? You gonna say something today? Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You're such an awesome little birdie. Yeah, you're the prettiest birdie I ever heard of. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad bird, bad bird.
Birds on the phone.